How does ESPN Fantasy Football Draft work? So first is the draft format. ESPN leagues typically uses a snake draft where the order reverses each round. Some leagues may use auction drafts where managers bid on the players. Step 2. Draft order. Your draft order is either randomly generated by ESPN or it's set by the commissioner before the draft. Step 3. Timer. Each manager has a limited amount of time, usually 30 to 90 seconds, to make their pick. If they don't, ESPN will auto-pick based on the rankings. Number 4, the player pool. All available players can be drafted. Once selected, they are removed from the pool and will be added to your roster. And finally, the filing your roster. You will continue drafting until all required positions like quarterback, RB, WR, TE, and bench spots are filled. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.